Hello everyone, welcome to lecture series on multiple integral. In our previous lecture, we have seen that what is the change of variable by Jacobian method and some example of it. In this lecture, we will see more example of that. So first example is given over here, and that is find the volume of a sphere having radius a using Cartesian to spherical coordinates. So in this example, first we have to know that what is the relation between Cartesian and spherical coordinate. So I have the relation between Cartesian and spherical coordinate, that is x is equal to r cos theta sine phi and y is equal to r sine theta sine phi and z is equal to r cos theta. Earlier we have find the Jacobian. So Jacobian is the absolute value of Jacobian is r square into sine theta, and also we know that the radius r is varies in between 0 to up to my radius. So here we have given that the radius is radius of sphere is a, so up to a, and my theta is in between 0 to pi, and phi is in between 0 to 2 pi. So volume V is equal to triple integration dz dy dx. Now we are going to change this Cartesian coordinate into spherical coordinate. So this integration will change triple integration the value of Jacobian, absolute value of Jacobian, and that is r square into sine theta. So r square into sine theta into d theta, d phi and dr. First we are putting the limit of theta. So theta is in between 0 to pi. Next phi is in between 0 to 2 pi. And my r is in between 0 to a. Now we first integrating r square into sine theta with respect to theta. So is equal to 0 to a, 0 to 2 pi and 0 to pi r square sine theta d theta into d phi dr. So is equal to 0 to a, 0 to 2 pi. R square constant, integration of sine theta is minus cos theta and limit is 0 to pi d phi dr. So is equal to 0 to a, 0 to 2 pi, and put theta is equal to first pi. So cos pi is minus 1 into minus is plus, so r square, and cos 0 is 1, so minus plus, and that is here is also r square and d phi dr. So is equal to 0 to a, 0 to 2 pi 2r square d phi dr. Next, volume V is equal to, we have 0 to a, 0 to 2 pi of 2r square d phi dr. Integrating this, so 0 to a, 2r square constant and phi limit is 0 to 2 pi dr. So 0 to a, put theta phi is equal to 2 pi first. So 4 pi r square minus when you are putting 0, term becomes 0. So dr. So is equal to integrating this term with respect to r. So 4 pi r cube by 3 and limit is 0 to a. So 4 pi a cube by 3 and when you are put 0, term becomes 0 and this is the answer. This is what volume of sphere having radius a. We know that volume of formula of volume of sphere is 4 pi a3 r cube by 3, but here we have given that the radius r is a. So basically we have derived this formula which is shown the volume of sphere. Next example is that find the volume of the cone whose base radius is a and height is h. We know that what is the volume, what is the formula of volume of cone. So we know that is volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi a square h. Regarding this, radius a and height is h, but now we are going to derive this formula. So for that, I sketch the cone. Suppose my cone is like this, and this angle I call it as alpha, and base radius is given, that is a. So this is my base and its radius is a. So distance, this is a, and height is h. So suppose this height is h. My coordinate axis x, y and z. So we know that what is the equation of figured cone. So equation of this cone is x square plus y square is equal to z square into tan square alpha. Here base of the cone is lies on the plane z is equal to h. Z is equal to h plane. So if I am putting here z is equal to h, first we have write that base of the cone lies on plane z is equal to h. So in this equation we have to put z is equal to h. So equation of cone becomes x square plus y square is equal to h square into tan square alpha, and circle equation of this circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. A is radius of circle. So in this example, my z varies from this to this, so up to h, but this to this. So equation of this cone is x square plus y square is equal to z square into tan square alpha. Make the z is equal to what is the value of z is equal to. So if I have x square plus y square is equal to z square into tan square alpha, so implies that z square is equal to x square plus y square upon tan square alpha, but 1 upon tan square alpha is cot square alpha, so is equal to x square plus y square into cot square alpha, and I remove here square, so I apply on it square root. It becomes z is equal to square root of x square plus y square into cot alpha. So my z varies in between cot alpha into square root of x square plus y square up to h. So required volume V is equal to triple integration of con dz, dx and dy. So is equal to double integration over the region R. I am putting the limit of z, that is cot alpha into square root of x square plus y square to h dz and dx dy. Here my region R is what? The circular region. So R is circular region. So integrating this is equal to double integration over R. Integration of this is only z, and limit is cot alpha into square root of x square plus y square and h dx dy. So is equal to double integration over R. Put the value, so it becomes h minus cot alpha into square root of x square plus y square into dx dy. Now my this term is in xy plane. Now I am converting into polar coordinates. So we have the relation between Cartesian to polar, that is x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So here my r is in between 0 to radius, and we have given that the radius is a and theta is in between 0 to 2 pi. So theta is in between 0 to 2 pi. So again volume is equal to double integration h minus cot alpha, and here x square plus y square. So x square is r square cos square theta plus y square is r square sin square theta. So it becomes r square because cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So here square root of x square plus r y square is make it square root, so it becomes only r. So into r, and in Jacobian is r and the dr d theta. So is equal to the value limit of r is 0 to a, and limit for theta is 0 to 2 pi. Next 0 to 2 pi, integrating this. So for that multiply r to two terms, become hr minus r square into cot alpha and dr d theta. So is equal to 0 to 2 pi. Integrating this with respect to r is h into r square by 2 minus here r cube by 3 and cot alpha, and limit is 0 to a d theta. So finally volume V is equal to 0 to 2 pi. Now put r is equal to a, it becomes h s square by 2 minus a cube by 3 into cot alpha, and when you are putting 0, this two term become 0 into d theta. Again integrating this two term with respect to theta gives h a square by 2 theta, and the limit is 0 to 2 pi, minus a cube by 3 cot alpha theta, and limit is 0 to 2 pi. Put limit, so 2 pi into h a square by 2, when you are putting 0, term becomes 0, minus a cube by 3 cot alpha and into 2 pi. Again, if you are putting 0, term become 0. So is equal to get cancel, h pi a square minus here 2 by 3 pi a cube. Here is cot alpha. Earlier in figure, we have figure like this. In this angle is alpha, this height is h, and this length is a. So if we are looking this angle, so what is the value of cot alpha? Value of cot alpha is h upon a. H upon a. So if I am putting here cot alpha is equal to h upon a, so is equal to h pi a square minus 2 by 3, here pi a square h, so h pi a square taking common, 1 minus 2 by 3, so that is 1 by 3, and into h pi a square. So finally we have seen that this volume of the cone is 1 by 3 h pi a square, which is our answer. Our next example is that find the volume of the space enclosed by surface x square plus y square is equal to z square, where z greater than 0, and equation x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2, which is represents a sphere of radius square root of 2 and centered at the origin 0, 0, 0. So first we are going to sketch the region. Suppose this is my coordinate axis, z, x and y. So this is my sphere centered at origin, and the radius is square root of 2. Here we have given one surface x square plus y square is equal to z square. So equation x square plus y square is equal to z square, and z greater than or greater than 0 represent the half cone, whose vertex is 0, 0, 0. You know that this is the half cone, vertex 0, 0, 0. So these two surfaces meet on z square plus z square is equal to 2. How? I have equation x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2. When I am put x square plus y square is equal to z square here, so it becomes z square plus z square is equal to 2. So it gives 2z square is equal to 2, and it will imply that z square is equal to 1 and is equal to z is equal to 1, z greater than 0. So I am here taking only z is equal to 1, not z is equal to minus 1. But z is equal to 1 is what? The plane. So suppose my 0, 0, 1 point is here, and this is the plane. Z is equal to 1. So this plane and sphere meet on circle. These two surfaces z is equal to 1 and another is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2. Surfaces meet on circle, and the equation of this circle is x square plus y square is equal to 1. Origin of this circle is center of this circle is 0, 0, 1 and radius is 1. So for enclosed space, my z varies from for enclosed space, my z varies from, first I have x square plus y square is equal to z square. So z is equal to square root of x square plus y square, and another is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2. So it will imply that z square is equal to 2 minus x square minus y square, and z is equal to square root of 2 minus x square minus y square. So ultimately we have to find the volume of surface which is enclosed this space. So volume is equal to here our surface and dz dx dy, so is equal to double integration over r, and here I am writing limit for z, so that is square root of x square plus y square to square root of 2 minus x square minus y square. So this becomes integration with limit square root of x square plus y square to square root of 2 minus x square minus y square dz and dx dy. Here R is what? The circular region. So integrating this, double integration over R, we have 2 minus square root of 2 minus x square minus y square minus square root of x square plus y square and dx dy. Now we are converting into this Cartesian coordinate into polar coordinate volume. So volume is equal to, first converting into polar coordinate. So we know that relation between polar coordinate is x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. In this, my r is in between 0 to 1 because we have given that radius is 1, and my theta is in between 0 to 2 pi. So also we have known that x square plus y square is equal to, from these two relation gives r square, and if I am square root x square plus square root of x square plus y square, it gives only r. So volume is equal to, double integration. First we have square root 2 minus x square plus y square, so it gives r square, minus square root of x square plus y square, it gives only r, into Jacobian. The value of Jacobian in Cartesian two polar coordinate is r, into dr d theta. So dr, first we are put the limit of r, that is 0 to 1, and then put limit of theta, that is 0 to 2 pi. Now multiply this r in these two terms, it gives 0 to 2 pi 0 to 1 r into square root of 2 minus r square dr d theta. First integrating this, so this equation you can write it as 0 to 2 pi d theta into integration 0 to 1 r into 2 minus r square dr. So integration of this is theta and limit is 0 to 2 pi. Now integrating this term, so first integrating this 0 to 1 r into 2 minus r square dr minus integration 0 to 1 r square dr. So put theta is equal to 2 pi, so it's 2 pi. When you are putting 0, term become 0. Integrating this, it gives minus 1 by 2 2 minus r square to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus integration of this is r cube by 3 and limit is 0 to 1. Here you also take 2 minus r square is equal to u and then integrate, answer will same. Next is equal to 2 pi. First you are put r is equal to 1, so here 2 get cancels, minus 1 by 3. Put r is equal to 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 to the power 3 by 2 is 1, so ultimate we have minus 1 by 3. When here you are putting r is equal to 1 is minus 1 by 3. Next we are putting 0, so here already minus and minus plus, so 1 by 3 and put r is equal to 0, so this term becomes 0 and 2 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3 by 2 plus, and you are putting 0, the term become 0, so is equal to 2 pi. Here you can write it as minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 to the power 3 by 2, you can write it as 2 into square root of 2. 2 into square root of 2 gives 2 to the power 3 by 2. So is equal to 2 pi, here is minus 2 plus 2 square root of 2 upon 3. Take common upon numerator is 2 and 2 into 2 pi is 4 pi and outside 1/3. So finally the term remaining is square root of 2, here is only 1. So this is my answer. Volume of the surface enclosed by the given space. Given space is two given spaces, that is one is sphere and another one is cone. So in this lecture we have seen that what is the application of change of variable by Jacobian. It's all about the change of variable. In our next lecture we saw the Masselius problem for in our wall unit, that is multiple integral. So ultimately our unit 4, that is multiple integral, here is over. All topic are covered, and in our next lecture we are going to see that all Masselius problem of multiple integral, all types, double integral, triple integral, and also the change of variable by Jacobian and previous method, that is the variable. So thank you so much.